What's up guys, this is Hardik here. So today Android Q Beta 1 got released for all the Pixel devices, surprisingly for Pixel 1 as well, because as you guys know Google only promised 2 years of updates for Pixel 1, but now they did release the Android Q Beta 1 for the Pixel. Not sure if the official version will be available or not, but the beta is. So quickly going into settings, if we scroll down, as you can see, the icons here seem new and redesigned. So about phone, and if I scroll down, as you can see, Android version is Q and the security patch is March 5th 2019, and the build number is QPP1, and rest you can read it right over here. So going back, I'll quickly go into the changes that we have. So first and foremost, as you can see, is the settings and the icons for settings. So the network and all the icons basically are changed, and we now have a tab for privacy, and in privacy we have ads, usage and diagnostics, Google location history and autofill service from Google, as well as few of other settings that are already available in the other menu itself. So that's there. If you go back, and one thing I've noticed here is in Wi-Fi, if I go into my Wi-Fi, as you can see, if I go into settings, this is what I get for my Wi-Fi, and as you can see, I can share it through a QR code. The signal strength is excellent and the frequency is 2.4 gigahertz. You could edit the details as well if you want to, and that's it. I mean, I won't be going down because it has all my information, but yeah, you get a lot of customizability in the Wi-Fi option. So going back, we also have mobile internet and all the basic stuff. Then if you go down, we have the same thing. If you go to notifications, and if you go into notifications, we have hide silent notification status icon. So the apps that you have chosen to be silent will be hidden in the status bar itself. So that is for that. Going back, also you have a lot of inside customizability for notifications. I won't be going that deep. I'll be leaving a link in the description for the Android Q leaked beta, so do check it out, because all the things were same for the build itself. But anyways, coming back, we have display, and they have removed the display theme that we used to get on Android P. So there is no longer an option to turn the dark mode on, but surprisingly people do have it. So the thing is, I flashed the Android Q on my device. The people who already had Android P running on the dark theme will have it on the Q beta as well, but for me, as I flashed it, everything was reset and now I don't have the dark theme. But if you are running Android Q and if you have a dark theme, and if you install via the OTA, you will get the dark theme as well. So going down, we have sounds, and nothing changed in that. If we go into security, nothing has changed. Other than that, everything is pretty much the same in the settings itself. So now, as you can see, the font is changed. If you could notice, the font is a bit different, and we have that in the settings itself. So if you go down, if we go into system, then developer options, if you scroll down, then we have the body font. As you can see, it is default, and you could select the source sans as well if you want. We have icon shape, and we also have the accent color. So for me, it is blue. As you can see, the device default. If you want, you could change it to anything else and it will work just fine. So that is that. Going back, one weird thing I noticed is all the system apps, like all the apps that are supposed to be inbuilt or to be supposed to be installed inbuilt, are also showing on the app drawer. So as you can see, I have the YouTube VR right over here. Then I have the playground for the childish Gambino right over here. I have the Google PDF right over here. So all these apps were not present on the previous Android versions. Like they were supposed to be installed in the device, not supposed to be shown on the app drawer. So that is the bug that I've found. And yeah, I mean this version is very smooth, like not gonna lie. As you can see, the app switching is also pretty good, and everything seems to be very smooth, not janky or anything, but very smooth. And if I just scroll back, as you can see right over there, so all the UI changes here is, if we go into the Google Files real quick, there we go. As you can see, this is changed a lot. So if I go into Pixel 2 XL, as you can see, it is majorly redesigned. So I do really like this. Then going back, as you can see, launcher has been the same. You get the suggestions on top. Right now I don't have any because I just flashed it, but you'll get it on there. Other than that, we have a feedback app. So if you face any issue regarding Android Q, you could send the feedback right onto the device itself. Other than that, everything is pretty much the same. No major changes, to be honest. The share tab is changed and nothing else. But yeah, for now that is pretty much it for Android Q. And one more thing. Okay, so if I go into my always on display, as you can see, the battery is now on the top right. There we go. No, and not here on the bottom. So it used to be on the bottom on Android P, but now it is on the top right. So that is a good thing. But other than that, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And again, I'll be installing all the Android Q betas on my device. So if you want to stay tuned on that, do subscribe to my channel. And yeah, for now that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in my next one.